are doing the tea party. There's going to be sweets and sandwiches. And we made them.
Do we have?
And there's going to be some tea.
Do we have here?
We need egg
Waterfall, waterfall.
Waterfall.
No, we
Oh.
need egg sandwiches.
They're in that box right there on that other table. Cannolis on here, and we can put some more cheese sandwiches on here. I think that would be great.
Quincy.
Mom!
When you see your guests and you have your menu,
What kinds of things do you think are on that menu?
There's cupcakes, chocolate covered pretzels, and there's egg sandwiches, and ham sandwiches, and some butter jelly sandwiches, and
There's also
cream cheese, and
There's different
cucumber
sandwiches.
sandwiches,
Right.
and there's
And then there's also
there's cannoli,